Hey guys, this is a quick review of the MX Vertical from Logitech. Now this is for people that are struggling with RSI, which I am. So let's open it up, see what it's like. I've had products from Logitech before and I've been happy with them. So let's go. So we get inside, so that's the mouse. I don't think there's anything else in there. Oh, it's just, there's this here. This might be a charging case for the manuals. Yep. So you get this charging cable and some instructions. And there you go. Here's the mouse from Logitech. So that's underneath there, that's the on. It's go like there. Got these buttons here, that one there, and then you've got these on the side, so you don't have to leave your hand in this sort of strenuous position. It's like a resting position, and it's supposed to be better for day-to-day use. As I'm getting older, I've never heard of these before, but yeah, this just looks like a great design. I'll give that a try and hopefully it improves my RSI.